And yeah, that's about it. Also, I'm like cutting the video off. I didn't do it. Benny Kim did. And yes, that is true. Why are the galaxies jump scaring me? Like, what the heck? Does it have to stay that close? Ariel. Umbriel. Info. Uranus. Uranus. Okay. I'm the only one that explains it. I mean, hey. Anyways, let's go back. Let's go to Neptune. And you know why I'm skipping Mercury and Venus? Yeah, because I'm worried that I might get jump scared by the sun. So let's go. Let's go into already. Let's just get this over with. And there's the bad boy beyond moon today. Just so I don't get jump scared, I'm gonna go move. Oh, I swear this is times where I'm gonna be really upset because you know I don't like getting jump scared. You know, last one I got jump scared by a moon. A moon! And I thought it was Mimas for a sec, but it was in Celsius. Moons are crazy. Especially the one that's right in front of you. I'm not taking that chance. Okay, let me go to Triton. Okay. Out. That's Triton over there. I saw you, Andromeda. Don't think you didn't pop out of nowhere. There's Neptune. And yes, of course, I'm gonna land on Titan. Triton. Go to object. And here it is. Oh, I thought I got scared. Lockman gonna go. I will beat you in the face if you don't stop. Literally, I'm tired. I don't even know where I am anymore. There's Triton. There's Neptune. Oh my frick. Oh my god. Go to used to be. There it is. Let's go in the planet. As you can see here, there's Neptune. And there's the sun from here. Pretty far, don't you think? Yeah, it's pretty far. Sun, let's see. 29 AU away? Dang it. There's Neptune over there. Anyways, let's now go to Pluto. Blue Sharon Soul. Actually, psych! Let's go to Pluto. Here's Pluto, and there's Ceres. Let's see how far away. Sun. Oh my god. 32 AU, so it's about 3 AU from Neptune. Oh, I think I know where I am. Shut up, you stupid. I said search up! Okay, where am I? Again, I'm getting jump scared. Why are you so dumb? Why are you so dumb? I love how you can go anywhere, but I don't like getting jump scared. Alright. Now let's land. Oh, and this is definitely a different one. But I'm not gonna lie. It's Pluto. Pluto, you're a planet in our eyes. That just makes me ooh. 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 What is this? This is what it looks like. Ooh, what is that mountain? Let's climb up this mountain. Yo! And I'm in the top of the world. Space engine is so cool, right, guys? I mean, you can see how far the sun is from here. This is Pluto. This is the sun. This is Pluto. This is the sun. Oh, and I'm pretty sure I skipped this one already. It's much closer to the sun, but I'm not gonna lie with that. Was it in the start? No. Oh, dang it. Ceres. Oh, that was a close one. You can see it's much closer to the sun, but we're not gonna lie with that. What the heck is that? Is that Jupiter? I can see Jupiter from a lot of miles. That's what makes me scared. I don't like how distance is. I don't like distance. Makes me scared. Dude. How many moons does it have? Jupiter, Venus, Europa, Callisto. Callista, purple. Look how much it is. Oh, now it had 63 moons. Oh my god! Planets. Planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Ceres, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, Haumea, which I'm definitely going next. Maki, Ceres, dang it. And that's it. Hold on a sec, bub. There's more than that. There's more than that, you goon. Oh man. Right down here. Dang it. Oh, you know why it's close to Jupiter? It's because